Alright, so here's our Dewalt DW733 planer. I was overfeeding the thing and I broke the drive on it. So I did figure out what the drive was, so I'm going to work my way down to it. I'll show you guys what the part was, and it's really actually an easy fix. Alright? I definitely was overdoing it, and I was feeding wet wood into it. I don't think you're probably supposed to do that. So there's one of those in the front, there's one of those in the back. So when I got it apart, this is what I found. A piece of the gear broken off. Pretty straightforward. So I went on my favorite online retailer and I found the actual Dewalt part, and if I remember right, it was about $15, something like that. Okay, let's have a look at how we're going to replace that part. Pretty easy stuff here. So this is the broken gear. I've got a snap ring on the end of the shaft. Let's try sliding these other gears out. Looks like that might be the ticket. It looks like that should do it. But anyway, I hadn't found any videos on this, so I decided I would do it. It's not really my normal thing to do, woodworking equipment, but then again, maybe that's why I broke it, because it's not my normal thing, and I was probably abusing the piece of equipment. So cover's got two little tabs up top. We need to slide it back up into. Get these two Phillips head screws started. And that should pretty much do it. So hopefully everyone will find this to be somewhat useful. All right, good luck with it. Have a great day.